Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a Google account and any admin permissions for school domains. Once ready, choose whether to create a class or join one. This determines permissions and roster flow. Open Classroom. Google, Com, or the mobile app, sign in and hit the plus button. Create Class gives fields for name, section, subject, and room. Fill key items now because they set organization and calendar links later. Make sure to save. Then move immediately to invite or import students. Now you build the class experience. First, configure class settings, grading category, points versus weighted, and default permissions for posts and comments so expectations are clear. Next, create topics to structure units, add assignments with due dates, rubrics, and attached drive files or links to keep materials centralized. Use question posts for quick checks. Once content is ready, share the class code, send email invites, or sync the roster if you're on Workspace for education, so enrollment is clean and automated. Finish by publishing assignments and verifying the student view. Submit a sample as a student to confirm visibility. Grade using rubrics or quick marks, then return work and leave feedback inline. Make sure the class appears in Google Calendar and enable Guardian summaries if applicable to keep families informed. If something goes wrong, students can't join or can't see work. Check permissions, verify the class code, confirm workspace sync, and clear browser cache. If needed, contact your domain admin to inspect console settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.